Hi everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, as Assistant Professor from Civil Department, KGRT College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about types of intellectual property and how it will be protected. Okay. So the viewers, after the viewing of this video, they can able to learn so what is the types of intellectual property and how it are protecting. Okay. So actually we have four types of intellectual property. First one is trademark. Okay. So what is trademark? Trademark is nothing but a symbol or a word or a slogan or a sound which is used to indicate the source and quality of a product. Source and quality of a product. So product. Actually, for example, you will take a mobile, Nokia mobile, okay. It contain a name, Nokia, on that mobile, okay. So that comes under the trademark. For example, whenever you went to the shops, okay, for example, you are using a soap, Santur, okay, that is a trademark. So the mobiles which are using, whatever the laptops you are using, Dell, okay, the symbols they are using. If you went to the restaurants, okay, I am saying the small example, McDonald's, okay. So they can write M as like that, and they can write under the M letter, I am love in it. So they are using slogan, okay. You can look out that in JNTUH symbol logo, Satyameva Jayate, they can use it in one slogan, okay. So these all are comes under the trademark, okay. So what is trademark? Trademark is nothing but a symbol or word, slogan which is used to represent the source and quality of a product, okay. Product in the sense, what is the product? So whatever our daily needs from morning to night, if you check once, morning, whenever you woke up, first of all you are doing the brush, okay. So that toothpaste which you are using, which contains a name, okay. After that, for washing, okay, soaps we are using for bathing. So the soaps which contain different types of names, okay. So that all comes under the trademark. So whatever the things you are using for mobile phones and laptops and God gates watches, which is all having some trademarks. For example, watch Timex, okay, fast track. So they have different type of terminology that's giving. For example, you are eating things, chocolates. For example, I am saying that dairy milk, okay. Dairy milk, they are using a symbol Shubh Aramb. Shubh Aramb. So their slogan Shubh Aramb. If you can see this symbol, you can look out that this is a dairy milk product, okay. This is from dairy milk chocolate. You can know, okay. By seeing itself, you can know, you can identify by seeing the trademark itself. For example, Apple mobile, okay, it containing a symbol F apple, okay, F apple. So by seeing the F apple symbol, you can have a thought that which is making by, okay, which is manufactured by Apple company, okay, and also you know that it is a brand. So by recognizing that, you can identify what is the source and what is the quality. So trademark will represents that they can advertise using as advertising agency, okay, the name, and the people, they can know the quality and the source of a product, where it came, okay. So actually for a trademark, it is governed by federal registration. Federal registration. Trademark is governed by federal registration. So what is this federal registration? Okay, this federal registration, which is governed by taking as USPTO. So what is this USPTO? United States Patent Trademark Office. Okay. So even any person, if they want trademark registration, they have to fill a form to apply for trademark. You have to file a application form to the USPTO, United States Patent Trademark Office. So once you applied for the USPTO, the trademark will approved within 12 to 24 months. Okay, 12 to 24 months. Once it is approved, it is valid for 10 years. A trademark which is valid for 10 years. Okay. So every 10 years you have to renewal it. So every 10 years you have to renewal your application, and for this renewal you have to apply before 2 years. So you may apply at the time of 5th or 6th year only for the renewal of this application. Okay. So this is the type of intellectual property, that is nothing but first one, trademark, and how it is protecting. Okay. All the things are not protected by the trademark, but whatever the things which is protected by trademark is useful. Okay. It protects yours source and qualities. Okay. So this is about the trademark. So what is trademark? Trademark is nothing but a word or a symbol or a slogan which is used to represent a source and quality of a product. Okay. For the example, I am said this McDonald's, you can observe that Apple symbol, Dell laptop, Samsung laptop. Okay. What are the things which is having? So these all are governed by federal registration. So how you are going to file a form for federal registration? So you have to file a application for USPTO, United States Patent Trademark Office. Okay. So the next type of intellectual property, that is copyright. So what is copyright? Copyright is nothing but it protects the original works of authorship. Original works of authorship. So what is this original works? Original works means a musical or dramatical. So I am saying the example, some small example. For example, the late S.P. Balasubramanian garu, he sung so many songs. Okay. So that songs all are sung by SPB only. So that are all original works of S.P. Balasubramanian sir. Okay. Like for example, you can take as a choreographer the dance movements, okay, which is given by the choreographer. So that all are protected, that all are comes under the copyright only. So a novel, for example, a book written by a author, a book written by a author, that is comes under the copyright. A diagram drawn by you, that is your original work. A steps, nothing but dance steps which is created by a choreographer, that is comes under the original works of that choreographer. Okay. A novel written by you, that is comes under your original work. A story written by you, that is also a original work. So, like these all are comes under the original works of authorship. For example, my sound, okay, my original work. So, these all are comes under the original works of authorship category. Okay. So, literacy or dramatical or musical, these all are comes under the original works of authorship. So, this copyright is governed by federal registration. Okay. This copyright is also governed by federal registration. So, this federal registration from USC 17th USC which is taken, okay, 17th USC which is taken. So, actually this copyright is governed by a federal registration according to the 17th USC, okay, conference. So, in this we have to fill and to apply if for application USPTO. Just we discuss what is USPTO. USPTO is United State Patent Trademark Office. Okay. This is USPTO. So, according to that we have to fill a form, whatever the original works done by you, okay, you can apply for this copyright. So, you can get a copyright. For this you have to apply, fill a form for USPTO, then it will take up to approval 5 to 6 months of time. Okay, it will take up to 5 to 6 months of time for the approval. After this, okay, after this approval, it will give a protection for your own works, that is nothing but original works. So, it will give 75 years after your author's life. It will protect after 75 years of author's life. Okay, after 75 years of author's life. Okay, after 75 years of author's life. So, how many years they are protecting once you approved from the federal registration from copyright? So, 75 years after the author's life. Okay. So, this is about the copyright. So, our next one topic is patent. Okay. We have the third type is patent from the intellectual property rights. Okay. So, what is patent? It is a grant from US government for the owners to prevent others to make, buy or sell a product. Okay. So, actually we have three types of patent. Okay. Design patent, plant patent and utility patent. Okay. Actually we have these three types of patents. Okay. So, patent means a creation or a innovation by you. For example, I am saying a bulb is innovated by Thomas Alva Edison. He got a patent, right? Okay. A printing press is innovated by John Gutenberg. Okay, is created by John Gutenberg. So, he got a patent, right? So, whatever the things which have innovated, that all are comes under the patents. Okay. So, we have the three types of patents. One is design and plant and utility. So, what is design patent? So, whatever the things which you are wearing, ornamental, jewelry, these all are comes under the design, and also whatever the creations which comes under this, and plant, whatever the things which are eating, for example, the vegetables, what all are under comes the plant. Utility, daily needs, daily what we are using, that is also under comes the utility patents. Okay. So, these are governed by federal registration. It is also governed by federal registration. For the protection of patent, you have to apply for USPTO by filling a application form about your all whatever the thing you innovated. You have to give the total description, you have to file a form to USPTO. So, once you fill the form, that is approved, and when you within a time of after that you will get a protection of 12 years to 15 years of protection. So, these 12 years to 15 years protection, after this 12 years or 15 years, it comes under the public property. So, the public can use that. Okay? The public can use that. So, this is about the patent. So, what is patent? Patent is a grant from US government. For what? It protect the owners and it prevent others to make or sell the products or whatever the things which they have the owners. Okay. So, the next one, the last type from intellectual property, that is trade secrets. Okay. Trade secrets, secret. So, that is known by you only, that is called as the secret. If that is known by all people, that is not a secret. Trade secret in the sense, trade, a company or a industry or a organization, they are establishing trade secrets by their own. For what? To improve, to develop their committee, their industry, their firm. Okay. So, a secret is a valuable information, so which will not be revealable. Okay, which will not be revealable. So, as like we discussed the three topics just now, trademark, copyright and patent. Okay, these three are governed by federal registration, but trade secrets which is not governed by the federal registration. Why? Because a secret is nothing but only the person he knows. Okay. If the secret is written by the papers and you have to apply for the protection, that is not a secret. Okay. So, it is not governed by the federal registration, it only governed by their own industry, their own company, their own firm, their own organization, they develop their self to protect the trade secrets. Okay. These all are about the intellectual property types. Okay. One is trademark and copyright and patent and trade secrets. Thank you everyone.